the sadhana on death. Now many people want to do sadhana on death. Remember, it is a very, very dangerous sadhana to do because you are dealing directly with the dark vortex. You can end up having a lot of problem into your life if you do not know to do the sadhana. I would request you, whenever you do this sadhana, do not go back to your house. If you are doing the sadhana on the samshan, if you are doing the sadhana on the dead bodies, seeing the dead bodies, making the dead bodies burn, if you go to Harichandra Ghat or if you go to any ghat, remember, it is very, very important that you don't go back to the house. You have to do the purification ritual because otherwise death will come into swift wings into your life. Very, very important. This is not a sadhana which is done by the normal householders. This is done by the people who are what you call it as a professional, hardcore, superior meditator. It is like playing T20 game. The first siddhi you get is that of the Mrityu Siddhi. The Mrityu Siddhi, you will know the arrival of death. For example, we have a class in this thing. We talk about the Mrityu Siddhi to people, how death will come into the people's life. I'll give you two hints. People who are running will walk, people who are walking will sit, people who are sitting will lie down, people who are lie down will eat and shit in the same place. That's how death will come. And then the remainder of death will be there, because all the time you will not get attracted with fame, money, because at the end of the day you will ask yourself whether is this going to lead you to sadhana. So the first thing is you will have awareness of death. It's called Mrityu Siddhi, and I had an amazing experience. Now my father was about to go to his aunt's house, and he looked into me and he told me, I want to go to aunt's place because she's kind of sick. I told her, don't bring her here, she's going to die. He got very, very angry, and it turned out to be true. And my wife talked about her mother was very sick, was about to die. I told her she is not going to die. So you will know when the death will come and when the death will not come. And you have a dedicated formula on that, which we would be putting in the website later, and which you can access that knowledge. It is not there in the Samhita. Siva Samhita talks about the eyes going inside and the sound, hearing and the taste changing and all. No. There's much superior knowledge to you. It's called Mrityu Siddhi. And that's because I've done the sadhana of death in the past life, and many times I felt depressed for no reason. I had OCD, obsessive compulsive neurosis, that I might die one day, that before death I want to see God and I want to deliver what it is. Even I'm talking to you because I have the urge. Like Milarepa says, tomorrow you would never knew whether you would be alive to face this world. So I'm just sharing all this because I don't have time, and I keep fighting this psychic battle, and whatever the best we can share about it, we are doing it. Of course, the Tibetan Buddhism talks about the Bardo. The Tantric Sadhana talks about the Shav Sadhana. Shav Sadhana is nothing but the black vortex will fully open up. You will go through that vortex and you will come back fully. And your astral body will come back fully. Of course, you become very super clairvoyant. You will also be attacked by the lower beings. They talk about it. And this is the meaning of Shav Sadhana. And of course, the Garuda Purana talks about it. I went to one place, one lady was there. She said, I'm reading Garuda Purana. I said, somebody is going to die in your house. She asked why. I said, Purana is opening the vortex. Be very, very careful about it. And somebody died in her house. So the point is, this is the Mrityu Siddhi. Now, when you do sadhana on death, you will know when you will die. The Swara Yoga talks about the Swara coming in one breath, one side of the nostril for 15 days. I've seen somebody. I went to somebody's house. The father-in-law was very sick. He was doing pranayama, but he told me, actually the breath is always coming on one side. I knew he was going to die. So you can prepare yourself to die. You can let other people die. But also every day as you go to sleep, you remember that you are dying and then you are born to a greater self. Many times as you are involved in the tantric battle, in the psychic battle, in the psychic realm, the lower forces will open the death vortex on you, and it will be very, very difficult. It's called as a dark night of the soul. So you would, as your sadhana opens up, sometimes you regret, why can't you have a normal life? But then every day as I go to sleep, many times the death vortex will be opened up. It looks as if you're going to die. The Ramana Maharishi perfected the sadhana, Ramana Bhagavan. That's why he talks about his death and his resurrection. Jesus Christ literally came out of his death. That's why he became a Messiah. So unless you are a great being of light, don't indulge in this sadhana. And the so-called the modern gurus who come and meditate and who try to put the videos, they cannot talk about this. This real sadhana, a real sadhak only can talk about it as a person. And therefore the Mrityu Siddhi will be put at the end of the video, and you can always download it and keep it for yourself and share it with people. This is my gift to you. Of course, this is not in the Samhita. As I told you, there are beings who help me. There are beings who download this knowledge for me. And I thank you so much from the bottom of my heart, because sometimes I might not meet you, but my love will go thus far. May every soul who hears me, who sees me, may they get enlightened. Thank you so much.